Does AAA roadside assistance cover bicycles? If you are a cyclist wondering whether AAA roadside assistance has your back, you are in for a treat. The good news is that AAA roadside assistance does indeed cover bicycles. This service is included in all AAA membership levels, so you can ride with confidence knowing help is just a call away. Imagine you are out on a beautiful ride, and suddenly you face a flat tire or a broken chain. With AAA, you won't be left stranded. They can transport both you and your disabled bicycle to a safe location, whether that is a repair shop or your home. This feature is especially handy for those who commute by bike or enjoy long-distance rides. Now, let's talk about how this fits into the broader context of auto insurance roadside assistance. Typically, roadside assistance is associated with vehicles. However, AA's inclusion of bicycle coverage shows their commitment to supporting all types of transportation. This is a great option for individuals who prefer cycling as their primary mode of travel. In practical terms, having AA's bicycle roadside assistance is like having a safety net similar to what car owners enjoy. Just as car insurance provides protection and support for drivers, AA's bicycle service ensures cyclists can get back on the road quickly and safely. This service aligns with the growing trend of promoting sustainable transportation options and encouraging active lifestyles. When comparing roadside assistance services, AAA stands out with its unique bicycle coverage. Many other providers focus solely on vehicles, but AAA caters to both vehicle and bicycle users. This comprehensive service package makes AAA a strong choice for those who value versatility in their roadside assistance. So, if you are considering AAA roadside assistance, rest assured that your cycling adventures are covered. Whether you are commuting to work or enjoying a leisurely ride, AAA has you covered in case of bicycle troubles. With all membership levels including this service, you can ride with peace of mind knowing that help is always within reach.